Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the Pyrex Basics 3-pack glass baking dish set, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This set includes 3 versatile rectangular glass baking dishes in sizes 2 quart, 3 quart, and 4.8 quart, each accompanied by a snug-fitting, BPA-free plastic lid that's safe for the freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher. Crafted from high-quality, non-porous glass, these dishes are perfect for the preheated oven, microwave, and freezer, ensuring your food stays fresh without absorbing stains, flavors, or odors. Whether you're an experienced cook or a beginner, Pyrex is the #1 brand of glass bakeware, trusted for generations to meet all your cooking, serving, and storing needs. The standard depth of these dishes makes them ideal for all your traditional baking endeavors, providing peace of mind with their durability and convenience. Say goodbye to scrubbing away stubborn stains and odors, and enjoy the ease of use that comes with this exceptional glass bakeware set. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great kitchen product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.